Hey, I'm Fish, your how-to guy. We're in the garage today. It's nice and cold outside, and what a better day to hang up a street lamp. I'm going to show you right here on the pole because we're going to mount it on a wall outside and how to hang it up. And we're going to show you a demonstration at nighttime how this thing works the best we can. So let's get right to it. 80,000 lumens is going to be awfully bright for you. When you first get your kit, inside here, it's going to be a pole, your pole brackets, 4 nuts, 4 bolts, anchors, and hardware. Excluding AAA batteries to your remote control that turns on your light. If you're mounting on the pole, which I'm going to show you right here, you got all these bolts, and all you're going to do is just drop them in, grab the nut, screw them on. If you're mounting on the pole and you have a hole here, that's what this is for. You slide it on the pole and you lock down. Now you got something that's on the pole, as you can see. You got this kit right here that is required for the pole because this is going to slide on. I'll show you right here. Slides on, goes through, and you're going to take the nut and you're going to lock it into place. Please forgive me when I hold this so you get an idea what it looks like. The sun is coming up and over like this, and that's going to light the solar panel. It takes a good day or two to get some energy, and then we can run the solar panel and have light at night. You can raise it as high as you want and it'll throw light all over the place. This is my demonstration purposes right here. Notice the green charging light for the solar panel. Notice all the LEDs that it has. That is the solar panel that's getting the sun. Just to give you an idea, during the day, we have acknowledgement that the light will work. We have 25, 50, 75, and 100% and motion. Please take the time to go over the instructions. It tells you exactly how I set it up, that you have to have the green light for charging, test the unit by covering the panel, so forth. It has over here 65 to 7,000 Kelvin. It's an 800 watt unit with 420 LEDs. That's SMD 5730 with the 20,000 plus milliamp battery, 2 to 3 day use. And it also runs at a temperature of 10 degrees up to 107 degrees outside, give or take a few degrees. Let's give a nighttime shot, show you how this unit works. We have the light. We turn it on and we set it to motion. After so many seconds, the light will the light is dim. As I walk close to the light, it's going to sense and turn bright. The light stays dim, and when it gets motion, it'll brighten up. We have 100%, 75%, 50%, 25%, and we have motion. And then we have the off. If you ever need to take things down, you can unscrew, slide the pole off, and transferring the pole to somewhere else in the backyard. And if I don't want to put it towards the end, I'm going to slide the pole in a lot closer and allow the sun to stay, get the area I need of angle, and I'm good to go. Please remember the pole doesn't have holes earlier on, closer to the base. I just slid mine in for demonstrations for tonight. You can get to so you can see how bright it is when it turns on. And there it is, on. Now it could go on to motion sensor like so. So when you now walk underneath it, it'll brighten up from dull. What we're going to do is turn it off so you can see the difference in the brightness down below. And we'll turn it on a little later when it gets dark. And it's going to be a little difficult with knowing which is 100, 50, 75, and 25. As you can see, it decreases and increases. So we have brightness, a little darker, a little brighter, a little darker. We're underneath the light, and we'll increase it to 50%. We'll increase it to 75%. We'll increase it to 100%. We'll shut the light off. Turn the light on. If you're looking for a street lamp, 80,000 lumens that lights up the whole area, 28 feet of distance with the controller, you're going to be in store for an excellent light to light up your driveway, a place that you need to have light by a shed, the front, the backyard, a warehouse, a place where you work, you name it. I hope you enjoy your street lamp.